Move.
No, take a picture of me.
Move.
Why are you pushing me away? Okay.
Here's the natural habitat in the wild woods of Brooklyn. We see a mother hen and her 2 cubs. The cubs are doing the grooming ritual. The young cub you see is here. The mother has been out all day hunting. As you can see from the scars on her feet that she's been through the hot coals. Trying to find sustenance for her young. The young boy cub is growing up able-bodied and strong. So he will learn hunting skills and will take over the mother's job of bringing food. The young lioness is approaching her prime. Soon she will find a lion. And they will find their own cave and have their own cubs. And learn how. This is rare footage. For the species are almost extinct. One is dying right now. Well, we have 2 left. Okay. At least we caught the glimpse of the last one.
Come on,
Nope.
please.
3rd one here. This is called the thinking ritual. By extending the lips, it opens up the portal to the brain. It opens up the left wing to the imagination. The gritting of the teeth means he is encountering some type of confrontation at the gates. As you can tell by the crooked tooth, he's lost a part in that realm. But yet he continues to grow. The mother hen is resting.
Get out of here.
Nene. Her cubs sit idly by.
Nene.
You can't help it. He's not doing it.
Nene, come on.
If you can listen to the faint call, the mother is calling to the older one. The older cub. Let's see if she responds. She seems to be a little confused.
She's laughing. Come on.
The mother sends out a distress signal.
You know what's to it? That's not funny.
Play my part then.
No.
Move away.
Come on, move, y'all. Stop, Christian.
We did that.
See, now you're not going to do it because now you messed